Hey guys, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here. So first of all, let me go ahead and thank you for tuning in to my video. If this is your first time here, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as give me a couple of likes, and feel free to share this if you get some value from this. Hopefully you get some value from this video and we can go into there. So what we're talking about today is, I'm pretty excited to show this one, is it's been a minute, so it's going to be about royalties and their feature, their social marketing feature. I've done a video about this before, but I'm going to show you in action on what type of things that you can actually promote and use this to create leads and market and advertise and brand your business without being being discreet and actually doing giving value too. So with that, I'm going to show you this. This is my back page, my back office of Royaltie account, and they have a whole bunch of new features in it, and you can actually go back to my channel and look at some of the videos in the past. But we're going to show you what I'm going to show you today is actually how to use the social marketing content and what it can do. So I'm going to use this for example, since it's a hot topic right now, CBD. It's a big trending topic in the United States, and so I'm going to show you this because I know a lot of people who have CBD companies or are part of CBD companies. So this right here is one of them because it's a health and wellness. So this is actually one of the social marketing posts. So it's pretty cool. So if I click on this 3 dots, move me out my way, it'll pull up this menu. You can view the content before you post it, so you can actually see what you're posting, and you can actually duplicate that. You can share share or post the content right here, and you can email it to your list if you already have a list already created. Copy the link or delete it if you don't want to, if this is irrelevant to what you're looking for. So I'm going to click on View Content so you guys can see some of it. So it's pretty cool. Pulls up the article. It's of the content of it, and you can go through it, or sometimes it's either a article that you can read or it's a video. So it all depends on what the content is actually, what they're offering. So it's pretty cool on that one. And what's next, I'm going to actually show you how simple it is to actually post it to your social media. So if you click on this, the 3 dots, hit share. Now it says post or send. So I'm going to click the drop box right there. You get to choose out of Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. So you have to have an account for those. And I'm going to do Facebook because I use Facebook more. I'm actually not really transitioning, but adding LinkedIn to some of my stuff when it comes more towards marketing. So I'm going to click share. Pull this down. Now it pulls up this right here. This is what it looks like. Basically, you can post it to your news feed. And this is on desktop. You can also do it on your mobile device. They have an app that you can do it. So I'm going to hit newsfeed and stories. You always want to do stories because Facebook actually uses a lot of stories right now because that's a whole other training. So you can put a post just like how it is, like this. If I want to hit post Facebook, but I actually like to put a little content up there where it says say something about this, and it actually gives a little feed. So I create something already. For time's sakes, a little typed out something right here. Copy that. You don't have to do this, but I do it just to get more engagement so people can read. And boom. So that right there is with the world adapting and embracing CBD, blah, blah, blah. Feel free to go to my Facebook page and look at this. But I'm going to hit post. That does the thing. Boom. That's simple. It says, have you succeeded with publishing your post? Yes, I have. Your social marketing is done. Great. Would you like to add this to your this content to your website's blog? Yes, I have a website for this. So yes, I would actually, because it's a CBD website. Your blog is done. Yep, my blog is done. Don't know how to make blog? They do it for you. That's another video. Would you like to email this content to your followers? The list, your list is your followers. People opt into it. Yes, I would. And your email has been sent. I have sent emails to my list. Doesn't matter if it's one person or 10,000 people. It's sent. And that simple, that easy. Now, if I go to my Facebook page, you'll see Boom. Right there. That post. Content marketing. It created content for me. They generated it. I didn't create that. Only thing I typed in there was this right here. And like I said, I didn't have to do that. I could put a little line there and that was it. So very simple. And if I click on it, boom. And this actually is helping to create your list. So when I click on it, here we go. This is what people see. Type in their name, email. We'll do this for what it looks like. My emails are in there. Read article. They get to read it now. Now I just added somebody to my list. I can actually email market to them, continually market and brand myself with them. Let them know that I'm an expert at this industry. And that's simple. Great, great tool. Great product. Great feature. I think everyone needs this. This is the future of marketing. So without being intrusive and overbearing to your customers or people who you are networking with. So I want to share it with you. I think this is very valuable. I think this is extremely important, and you really do should check this out. If you're interested, you want more information, please give me a call at 925-752-8897. That's my direct line. That's to my cell phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to put any comments or concerns in a comment below, or like I said, give me a call. Hopefully you got some value from this, and I will look to see you at the next video. So until then, peace, blessings, and take care.